Hi guys, my name is Violet from my Philly Primary School and I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial. So the first product I'm going to use is this powdered foundation. It's I think 0.7 chestnut all day wear powder from Ox Bloom, and I'm going to be using this brush. So you're just going to add on a bit and you're going to add it to your face. So when you've added the powdered foundation, you are now going to use the eyeliner brow pencil. So you are going to use it, and it's basically so you're gonna draw where you're gonna put your eyeliner, and you'll know where to put it when you use the actual eyeliner. I'm gonna do it on both sides. So once you've done it on both sides, you are now going to take the eyeliner. You're gonna dip it on both sides. Put it on both sides. When you've done it on that side, you're gonna add it on the other side. Once you've added the eyeliner, you are now going. So this is the black eyeshadow, Laurel Paris. You are going to use it. You don't want to add too much. You just want to add a small dab. And then on the other side, when you've added that, you are now going to add. So you're gonna add this. It looks like holographic or gold. I don't know what it's called or anything. Let's look it up to the bottom. And go. So you're going to get some. You want to be careful so you don't spill it on yourself. And I need to.
This Wednesday, during flipping after school, there's going to be some plants selling, just to let you know what's going on.
Those were just people from the other flips. and then you're gonna add it on the other side.
Hey, my name is Jackson from Ranfurly Primary School, and I'm here to show you my makeup tutorial.
So when you're done with the gold eyeshadow, you are now going to use a little bit of green glitter and put it on top of the gold. So you're not gonna want to add too much. Make sure you go on it slowly. So you wanna have like about this much on your brush, and then you're gonna kind of put it
My
down.
name is Jackson from Ranfurly Primary School. I'm here to show you my makeup tutorial on how I do my makeup. So the first product that I use is foundation. Now I use this foundation because it actually fits my skin, and you can like just check foundations to see if you just
And then you're gonna go ahead the other side. When you are finished using the green glitter, you are now going to get a cotton bid and get your lipstick, and you're gonna add some onto the cotton bid because somebody might have used this. We don't want to get sick or get any germs, so for our safety we're just gonna put it on the cotton bid.
The first product that I use is foundation. Now I use this foundation because it fits my skin, and yeah. So I get a little brush and I just not a little bit, but not too much. Start off with my chin. Now my technique for foundation is I start at my chin and then I go up. See, I need like a lot to my chin.
So then you're gonna add it on your lips.
You don't really need to do under your eyes or over your eyes. I just do it for fun.
You're gonna add a bit more.
Make sure to get it underneath your nose.
And you're gonna put it on your top lip.
Okay. I just want to.
You're gonna add a bit more. So this is the last one I'm actually gonna do.
Okay. Then it's time to do my forehead.
And then after you're done, you are going to use, I'm going to use this Revlon Insta Blush. And I'm gonna add it to my, kind of my here from my, to my, so basically my cheekbone. So you're gonna want to make like a face like this so you can apply it.
Really fits in and it's really good concealer. So okay, so with concealer, all I do is just put on my chin, two stripes. Gonna do two stripes down there.
And down here.
But under my eyes.
When you're done, you're just gonna get a brush and just blend it in. And the other side.
I just need to lift my hair up because
When you're done, you are now going to add mascara.
yeah, I need to hold my hair up. Here we go again.
And you're gonna go ahead and add mascara on the other side.
Okay, and then
You want to be careful with mascara because you can accidentally put it in your eye. Like what I just did. Accidentally went in my eye. And your bottom eyelashes. Try not to get it on yourself either. When you are done, you want to kind of try to wipe off the black stuff or stuff that like a mess in your makeup, or you can fix it like what I'm doing.
because you know, like this concealer matches my skin, you can see that my skin is really pasty. Okay, this is
So now I'm going to add setting spray. This is for when you finish your makeup look, you just spray it on yourself. You don't want to add too much. You just want to spray it on yourself. Close your eyes and so this is the final look. And I hope you guys are looking at this because this is my first time doing the makeup look. And I hope you guys do a great job. So this is how I actually look with without my glasses and how I look with my glasses. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Bye.